today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your CallApp. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go here, go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. You just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on overlay screens, just click on it. You come to next tip here. You come here to show missed calls daily summary here. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here show missed calls daily summary disable with us now. So that's all you have to do now. I wish now you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. Thank you for your watching.